Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to make slime. It's actually pretty simple and it should actually look like this. And it's not actually sticky, but there's some actual optional things that you're gonna have to do. So it actually looks like this. So let's get started. Just wait a little bit because there are some things I have to do. So let's get started. What you're gonna need is a container, something to mix in, something to mix with, suave kits, and a normal shampoo. What you're gonna need to do is put some suave kits. Depends on how much slime do you want. I'm putting a lot. So I put like that. Now you're gonna have to put some shampoo in, normal shampoo, and don't put a lot depending on how much you put. So it's like that much. All I have to do is just mix it till it starts to form. And now, after a few seconds, it would have been 5 minutes already, and I kind of speeded up the time. That's how it should look like, and it actually isn't sticky. So it's actually optional, but you can put it in the fridge for about 5 to 10 minutes, but it won't make it better. It won't make a difference. So don't forget to subscribe. Bye.